Hello, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia Z5 Premium. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning let's go to Apps and Settings. Now enter Lock Screen and Security. Enter Screen Lock, and right here we've got 5 types of screen locks. Let's select None, Swipe, Pin, Password, and at the end pattern. Now when it's done, we can set up Fingerprint Manager. And our fingerprint sensor is right here. So let's scan the fingerprint. And now let's use it to unlock the phone. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.